Craig from Woodlake has a question about fireproofing.
Well, he's thinking about those terrible fires in California.
Oh, big time.
And he's got real practical about this. Craig writes, I keep wondering if building with Hardie siding, with metal or tile or fire-resistant shingle roofs would have prevented at least partially some of those fires in California, maybe protect houses around here when there's a fire.
No.
Okay.
Just give you an idea, a car is made out of metal and glass.
Yes, it
right?
is. Mostly.
Did you see the pictures of the cars?
Oh, yeah.
The heat was so intense that the glass actually melted. That's why you don't see any glass in there, because it actually shattered or melted or the same.
Well, but the seats are made of fabric.
I know, but he's talking about the outside cladding.
Yeah, but I'm talking about your house. You're going to put sheetrock in it.
Wait, I'm not done yet.
Sorry.
So it will, if you have embers that are coming and hitting it, sure, it could
maybe repel some of them?
Yes.
Okay.
But when you get such a fire from a forest like that, I don't care what you have. Even the Hardie product will become damaged. Now, it might be on the ground. The nails could actually melt, and then the Hardie comes off. And so you have all these other issues going on. It's just the heat from those wildfires. But if your neighbor's house burns, and it has embers flying up in the air, and it hits the metal roof, hits the Hardie. Yeah, that's what it's all about. That would be a preventative product to put on the outside. On the inside, it doesn't matter, because the inside is supposed to keep the fire from spreading from room to room where you could die. And that's why we fireproof with sheetrock attached garages, because that tends to be a place where a fire could start.
Understood.
But when it comes to California, man, you cannot fight Mother Nature. And one little fact, I learned this, that years before people moved in that part of California, the fires would burn every year. It's part of the ecology up there.
Part of the life cycle up there. Yeah.
I know.
Well, and then there's the entire to-do about forestry maintenance, whether you thin it, whether you clean it.
And they wouldn't let them build fire lines anymore. Right. You can't clean out the forest. Even around your home, you can't take down a dead tree. Yeah. I think that's all going to be rethought now.
I'm thinking.
But,
well, it's like here, it's like with the floods here. It made people rethink the flood lines and all that. So, well, our prayers are with them. And
it's horrible.
Yeah, exactly.
Absolutely horrible.
You got a question, you send it to us, would you? At HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer it just like these videos over here. And subscribe to our channel, click that bell, and we'll ring it when there's a new one.